Masterpieces are handcrafted. Creating a work of art takes time and is reserved for only a select few. We chose to think differently. We create masterpieces of jewelry making machines, which transform the most intricate designs into exquisite gold and silver jewelry. Vekaria Engineering Works, engineers of jewelry art. From standard off-the-shelf manual and CNC products to custom-made cutting-edge CNC machines, we are the pioneers and leaders of this segment in India. We host an array of machines ranging from turning machines, profiling machines, sizing and rolling machines to special purpose machines. Shri Shamjibhai Vekaria set up a modest unit in 1963 at Jamnagar in Gujarat. His pioneering vision and perseverance has transformed Vekaria Engineering to a leader in the jewelry manufacturing machinery industry in the country. He has been felicitated with the prestigious title of Bhartiya Udyog Ratan by the Government of India for his outstanding contribution and innovations in the field of jewelry making machines. Vekaria is ISO 9001-2015 certified by TOV Sud South Asia and is a part of the Dun & Bradstreet database. Our R&D team is hands-on with our customers, keeping track of their challenges and the emerging trends in fashion jewelry. This helps us engineer machines which are always relevant, reliable, efficient, and low on maintenance. With an annual production capacity of over 600 machines, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility possesses the latest equipment, processes, and assembly lines to ensure seamless production schedules. The raw material, along with semi-finished and finished machines, are subjected to a plethora of rigorous tests to meet and exceed the exacting standards and the discerning eyes of the consumers. Our in-house training center provides training to our clients' technicians. Besides installation support of our machinery, we also provide online troubleshooting services that are designed to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. We are the trusted OEM partners to some of the biggest brands in India and across the world. A trust that keeps growing to newer regions and clients. More than 60% of our products are exported to over 54 countries, a coveted stamp of quality for us.
When we forayed into the production of jewelry making machines back in 1963, the concept was relatively unheard of. Today, Vekaria is at the forefront in integrating sophisticated technology into mass-produced high-end jewelry making machines. Our products have been known for their ease of operation, low maintenance cost, and an excellent after-sales support that we pride ourselves on. In the near future, we would be enhancing our manufacturing capacities, bringing in even more advanced technologies and expanding our global footprint.
In the high-end jewelry making process, mass manufacturing was always a limiting factor. Now, our machines use cutting-edge technology to produce these masterpieces. Vekaria Machines' ability to turn the most delicate, the most intricate, and the most innovative designs into works of art will keep pushing the boundaries of imagination. Vekaria, where possibilities become progress.